Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel. To our loyal viewers, subscribers and Patreon member. At the channel, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because they save lives. This is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives at this channel. We at the channel aid criminals with a passion and do not want them over here. We do not want your views, your subscriptions, your likes or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. Over here, we want you to go to prison or the departure lounge at Madden. Moving on to today's. Yes, most of us know that we live in our world that if you look right now on your thumbnail, on your LCD, on your phone, or your TV, or your computer, or your any device that you're watching, and you will see that with us, show you some things. So when you start speaking the truth, it creates enemies out of ignorance. Because people just love when you're comfortable and tell them lies. Because people don't like when you make them feel uncomfortable. So that's the reason why Jamaican people and the world, they don't like to fix problems. They just like to hear and complain about problems. But them 8-10 times, there's a solution to the problem and they can be a part of it. But the worst part about it, if you are going to address anyone who you think can help with the problem, and them feel say, boy, that person is there to me. How dare you go over there? You just shut up, you understand? So when you start speaking the truth, it creates enemies out of ignorance. Yeah, and most Jamaican people are illiterate and emotional. Yeah, Jamaican people are all very emotional. You understand? Yeah, boy, me dead for that. Me dead for my brethren and all, and him brethren not dead for him, Yeah, I saw it go on them thing there, You understand? Most of the time, that's how most Jamaicans stay. But I know so them brethren I want to see them and I kill them. But always learn to speak the truth, though it should be a solid weapon to a positive progression. Henry Johnson Jr. said that. So, that in a Jamaica now, so we did have some big scamming going in a early 2000s. Yeah, man. You have Olint scam, you have Cash Plus scam, Worldwide scam, Bernie Madoff scam, and we have a YouTube scam. Yeah, man. I just saw it go. But I was listening to this guy when he Twins Have Twins. Yeah, I want to tell you, say nice. Check out him program and them thing there. The only thing that I don't like and them thing there is in profanities and them thing. You understand? Because that kind of to me, might go down to the decadent. But you don't know when I Chisholm him come from, but different place or my place him come from. Because very intelligent youth, believe you me, because I enjoy listening to him and I learn a lot from him too. So anybody, once you listen to him thing there, you will learn some things. And yeah, him a player, believe you me, him just racha and them thing there. You understand? And if them the man they go up against some people and all them thing there where, you understand where, so could have out them ball and the man they still stand strong. You understand? Because the man they just say it as it is. So if you are killing me for the truth, that must a long time. Well, you have to just kill me because I'm going to stop speaking the truth. So we know as Jamaicans, speaking the truth can be difficult and sometimes costly. Especially in today's world, where misinformation and disinformation are rampant. Those who choose to talk the truth may face a variety of negative consequences, including, so you have to learn the thing, social isolation and ostracism. People who speak out against a prevailing narrative may be shunned by their peers and excluded from social group, and this can be very isolating and a lonely experience. So like all Twins Have Twins, and them use their curly locks and two locks because them use them just say it as it is, Yeah. And so you don't know, you have some people like them because once you speak the truth, people are gonna like you, so you have to prepare for all of these things, you understand? Remember, anytime you speak the truth, you have to prepare for these consequences. So harassment and abuse. Those who speak truth to power may be subjected to harassment, intimidation, and even violence. So that's why sometimes them kill people where them say, a truth merchant. And that's why them in Jamaica now, them call them informer. That's why them say informer for dead. That people speak the truth, So that's how it is in the society where I am from. So that's a narrative that we are trying to change, people for embrace the truth. But them don't want it, Yeah, them don't want it. Them want you continue to tell them lie and make them feel good about them favorite political figure or them favorite celebrity. Them don't want to hear it because it make them feel uncomfortable. You understand? But as usual, we're not going to stop, because we're going to just always tell you the real born mama papa truth. You understand? So as we tell us, this can be both, harassment, it can be both physically and emotionally damage. Reputational damage. Yeah, speaking out against established institution or influential individual can damage one's reputation. And finding employment or other opportunities difficult. Yeah, because people can slander, You have the internet where people just go on it, say things about you without no facts, and them expect the boy, them for just say it and them forget to with it. And then if you don't do certain things to get some redress, you understand, them continue and them say a true. So that's why you have to just use all of the various remediation to make sure so you remedy the same. So sometimes speaking truth, legal repercussion. Sometimes speaking truth can lead to legal trouble, yeah. So on everything where you can, although it's true, you can't speak up because you can't get in trouble. So this is especially true for journalists and whistleblowers who expose wrongdoing. So, as for you growing up on them thing, them always say the biggest corrupter is always the government. So you see right here now when it's a boy, whistleblower and those who expose wrongdoing, you can't end up in trouble. So the government now supposed to be the truth merchant or the person or the entity or organization where I promote truth. But the government is built on lies. Yeah, whether or not you want to believe it. The people them who speak truth in a government, them not normally up in the decision process. Because management already don't see them anti-establishment. Because when you're in a government, if you can't lie on them thing, you're not gonna reach up there. Because them know who they are promoting, So if them know say you're not a part of the cabal, yeah, you're going to stay right there until you exit the system. That's just how it goes. So speaking truth is still an important and courageous act despite the potential cost. It is necessary to hold those in power accountable, promote transparency, and ensure the public can access accurate information. So here are some examples of people who have paid a high price by speaking truth. Yeah, Marcus Garvey. Yeah, Marcus Garvey paid the price of speaking truth when he was in America. And that's why them use a blind man. One person who said Marcus Garvey a prison in America, He's a blind man, That man can't see, legally, And he might give evidence in a dark glasses, Over 100 years ago, and him say him see Marcus Garvey and him can't see nothing, Even although them discredit the man saying blind, the judge still accept the man evidence, a white man, So that will show you how the system work. So next after Marcus Garvey, because him at the head of when they come on to talking truth. Because he's a black man and him thing that fathead man, trust me, that man was a prophet and that man was a genius. But I see him people, he'll kill him off, W.E. Du Bois, yeah man. And W.E. Du Bois and Norman Manley, which was Michael Manley's father, them conspire against, from Jamaica to America against Marcus Garvey. We make certain same they get to reach Africa along with the American government. You understand? So I saw it go on them thing. As black people, we always have treasonous people around us. And as a black man, until you speak truth, so you're going to create many enemies. So you have to prepare for that. So that's why most of our people, they are mostly criminal. Remember, we as a people, as black people, as Jamaicans, we have been cultured to be criminal-minded, sympathetic to criminal. We have been socialized and nurtured to be criminals and criminal-minded. So that's why when you have an opposition leader come out and I tell you, say, boy, a long time, say murder of minimum and maximum, that is just a big lie. And then my boss and I tell you, say, him change it. And then I tell you, say, boy, where you going to put the people them will kill people? So I tell the people them to kill people, because him knows, say, boy, Jamaican people love lie and them thing. And him knows, say, the people them will follow his party. Yeah, them not care nothing on them thing, because feed them party. as you hear for yourself earlier, this year, and I was talking to a man in which Mark Golden said more 8 years for murder, and Andrew Golden said more 45 years. And the man say him more 45 years. And when he realized that who said the 8 year, him switch. Him say no, him about it. Him will go with the 8 year. So that for sure said them know, so them have the people them mind. You understand? So we continue the journey. So you have Nelson Mandela. Nelson Mandela spent 27 years in prison for speaking out against apartheid in South Africa. Now we have a little sister now who come from Pakistan, Malala Yousafzai. Malala Yousafzai was shot by the Taliban for advocating for girls' education in Pakistan. So you see, that's why I say I couldn't be no Muslim on them thing. Because Muslim is a religion where it's an archaic religion where keep them women, oppress women. This day and age and them thing there, why a man want to prevent a woman from educating herself? And people, you understand. But that is their culture, because it's all about them ego and them feel say boy, the women are not equal to them. The only thing the woman is to have kids and all them thing there and wash, cook, and the woman supposed to be ignorant. Them alone supposed to have knowledge and them thing there. And we know so that's not how the world is supposed to be. As you know, the United States government military, we spent 20 years in Afghanistan trying to change the people, them culture, them that are almost a generation, and it failed. Yeah, man. The people, them have a couple million well people there, and 80,000 men were able to overthrow the government. Everybody just stand aside and just make it happen, because them don't want the same freedom as we enjoy in the West. So these people, you don't want to live around them, because these people are some barbaric people, You understand? So I've just see them system. That's why a man couldn't get me for being a Muslim, because, when you treat women like that, and no religion are not supposed to treat no one like that, you understand? But I don't for them think that, and it's not like it's not like in the Muslim world you have like how in the Catholic you have the Pope, but the other religion them have the dominant leader, although them have them leader, no figure out there where them focus, where the media focus on and show you them, daily. Reason being is because you have to understand, say, the papacy is a part of the establishment that enslave all race of people, especially black people. Because the church, the church have land all over in the world with them thief, I just saw it go, the Catholic Church. One of the richest religion in the world, you understand? Because them have property, them have all kind of things. So, we're moving on. So, you have a man down here, Edward Snowden. Edward Snowden, he used to work for Edward Snowden leaked classified information about the NSA surveillance program and was granted asylum in Russia. Yeah, and, he used to work at NSA. NSA is a spy agency for the United States government. An agency a part of the Department of Defense. The Department of Defense are the largest employer in America, yes. Because them have all kind of agency. So the Department of Defense, and they have the agency them below it, you understand? And every agency have them own head. So Edward Snowden, he was working there, and he have top level security clearance. But sometimes the government deliberately do some things, by allowing people with certain kind of clearance to have access to information. But if you leak it, although what they're doing in the government is wrong, you end up in a trouble, you got prison. You understand? So you have to just be careful, them say. Because you have to understand, the government call the shots. Although the government I tell you, say, boy, you must be honest, ethical and all them things there, yeah. The government I say what me say, but don't do as I say. You understand? So if you see something wrong, you don't take it outside and make the world know on them thing there. You come to we. And although him say him go to all like people, them up top and him still see it go on them thing there. Him couldn't take it and him conscience in a beat him and him do it, and I any idea him depend him own. So him isolated right now. Him in a Russia, and so right now Russia and America in a war. Donald Trump never gave him a pardon. Joe Biden worse now gave him none of them thing, because it was when Joe Biden was vice president. So that's how things were. So now you have this guy who come from Australia named Julian Assange. Julian Assange is the founder of WikiLeaks, which has published leaked documents from governments and corporations. So he's currently facing extradition to the United States for conspiracy to commit computer hacking. You know, so him come in, you know, say him done, you know. Like them send him yeah, just to leaking them thing there. But if he had known that you know, by leaking American secrets, you know, although he had received it, well, he received it illegally. A man, him say my girl down name, something I name I check, why them things are so confusing, them things so. Yeah, it's a brother, the brother, him name Chelsea man, you know. He's a man, you know, and him change, say, him a trans, him a woman now and him thing, a man. So him now name Chelsea man, so he's the one that give Julian Assange the thing, and him got a prison, and boy, hey, Obama them pardon him. Him out, you understand? So you don't know, I just saw it go. And yeah, so Assange now, you know, so them a wait for him now, you know, because you know, so when him coming now, Uncle Sam them a last him, because I saw it go and them thing there. So I show them, I show you and them thing, they say, hey look, although it might be what they were doing and them thing they're illegal, you don't have no right to publish it, you have to get authorization. And as you know, I say America control the world. Right now you have two countries, you have most of the world still doing it, most of the countries them in the world, you know. Whether or not we want to believe it, you know, do not like the United States of America government, especially in the Middle East and Africa and some parts in Asia. You understand? Most of the countries them where America are friend, they're not really friend like friend. They are just friend because of the status where America have in the world. And most of them will do anything to say undermine America because them hate America. I tell you that. Even where I'm from and them thing there. And you have whole heap of people who come from who are from Jamaica who live in this country who hate this country, especially, and I can't tell you, especially the people them who affiliate with the PNP criminal organization. I tell you that straight. Because them have America as the enemy. But now you look now in a 2020 and you see so many of them live here and you say, boy, them people don't really have them not no core belief. Because if I was like that kind of person where me burn fire upon America, I would not live here. I'd live in Russia or Cuba. But see, in America where them eating in America them live, so that for sure you say them are hypocrite. So everything what them doing, them they just want to oppress them own people. They don't want to live in a country where them face oppression. But them they want to oppress them own people for them party, maintain power in a Jamaica. And I just saw it go. Yeah. So these are just a few examples of people who have spoken truth to power and paid every price. So their courage and sacrifice are an inspiration to us all. Remember, when telling the truth to people or an audience, be prepared to make enemies. Yeah, truth telling can be challenging. It challenges the status quo and forces people to confront uncomfortable realities. You may lose friends and colleagues and even face societal rejections when you speak in truth. But telling the truth is a testament to your courage and authenticity. Throughout history, truth tellers have faced immense struggles. Despite adversity, they stood up for justice, equality, and human rights. Speaking the truth creates a space for dialogue, allowing diverse voices to be heard. It shakes the foundation of ignorance and allows for collective growth and understanding. Embracing your enemies is not about surrendering your belief. It's about finding common ground, building bridges, and fostering empathy instead of fearing enemies. Let us see them as opportunity for growth. Let's engage in respectful conversation, challenge each other's ideas, and ultimately forge enlightenment. So remember, when you speak the truth, be prepared to embrace enemies. I've been doing that all of my life. So together we can create a world where our differences are celebrated and understanding prevails. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe to our channel. Yeah man, click on the notification bell so that whenever we at the Jamaica Young Police channel release a video, you'll be the first to receive it. Yes, give the video a thumbs up. Yeah man, thumbs up the video. Comment below. Share the video. Join the channel. Join the Patreon group so you'll be able to get videos that are not able to post to YouTube, due to YouTube policies, rules, and regulation and laws that govern the social media entity. You understand? Yes. When you join the channel, the YouTube channel, you'll be able to get videos even before the average viewer see it. And plus you'll be able to get other videos so that the average viewers won't see it. And those who join Patreon, you'll be able to get the video that cannot be posted to YouTube. So there's, benefits come with both of them. And look, when I no reason them thing they for, giving the people different tiers of, of membership. No, I just $6.99, period. And I saw it as stay forever. Because we don't know this to make money. We're just all about as a community. Because we can tell you, even with the Patreon, so we still have to pay for a platform to get to receive, so that you can get the videos them whenever we post. And this is not a money venture thing for you, because we have to pay for it. You understand? And if you want, if you don't want accountability, we can show you on them thing. You understand? Because I just saw it go. You have to understand. So we know this to make profit, we know this to change life, and we don't like to see Jamaica change. And we're going to work towards it, because we realize, boy, look, sometime in life on them thing there, you just have to just lead from the front. Because I just saw it going. I was a team leader in charge of five other men, 5 other police officers, 2 of them passed. One of them gunman killed him in 1996, Bruce Brown. In July 1996, Bruce Brown, he used to work with me. Kirk Palmer got shot in 1998. Gunter got shot, Rock got shot. So only 2 persons who got shot was, Bobby Reds and I. So we give God thanks, you understand, for protecting us. You understand. So as we continue, the journey, so truth telling embrace enemies. So we delve into the powerful impact of speaking truth to people or an audience, and the inevitable consequence of making enemies. Have you experienced the challenge of expressing your true thoughts only to encounter resistance and hostility all the time? So in this enlightening discussion, we explore the concept of truth telling and its potential to create adversaries. Sometimes sharing the truth can be uncomfortable, disrupting preconceived notions and challenging established beliefs. However, it is crucial to remember that genuine honesty catalyzes growth, change, and progress. So numerous influential individuals who fearlessly spoke the truth were met with opposition and formed enemies throughout history, from civil rights activists to revolutionary thinkers. Their unwavering commitment to addressing uncomfortable realities propels society towards positive transformation. Embracing enemies doesn't imply seeking conflict, animosity, or deep-seated hatred, but staying firm in your convictions, even when faced with resistance. It is an opportunity to engage in meaningful dialogue, broaden perspective, and foster empathy among different viewpoints. Sometimes it is precisely this opposition that fuels us to refine our arguments, challenge our assumptions, and deepen our understanding of complex issues. In today's world, where opinions often clash, the act of truth-telling can be seen as a revolutionary act. So anytime like you hear them say a black man say, a black man I work somewhere and them say I'm a radical, or you hear people say I'm a radical, nobody feel say I'm a criminal. The reason why them say that is because he's speaking the truth. Anytime you hear you're a black man I work somewhere and you hear them say I'm a radical, they must speak the truth. You understand? That's one way you can identify. So, so that, he's the one, you understand what I'm saying? And most of the time that person's always a target. Them always put a target on that person's back. Yeah, everybody, especially in the hierarchy of the organization, them always see that person as a troublemaker because he speak the truth. So you're supposed to just go move on like a surfer and just suck it up and not say nothing. You understand? So you have to learn now, by embracing enemies, we encourage open-mindedness, critical thinking, and pursuit of more inclusive society. So join us on this journey as we explore the profound impact of truth-telling and the importance of embracing enemies in our quest for knowledge and societal progress. Remember to like and share and subscribe to our channel for more thought-provoking content. So you understand. So we at the Jamaica Young Police Channel, we love the truth because the truth set us free. And that's all we have been fighting for. But hey, sometimes you can help people, sometimes you can't help them. You understand? Because I can tell you this, like, you have scammers, all over in the world. And scammers are normally very, very smart people. I can tell you that. One time I arrested a man by the name of Charlie Freighter. Even the fraud squad police them. I think I can't believe the name. A detective, yes. And the same guy when he Fitzbill, he used to work at fraud squad, but I never investigate a case in which he was a part of it in a fraud squad. But there was a detective, her name is Campbell. She trim, she keep her ears soles. I don't know if she's supposed to retire by now, and whether or not you want to believe it. Fraud squad detective are total different detective. These detectives are more they are meticulous in their thing, cause fraud have to do with paper and all them thing there, and you understand. So fraud squad detective them have whole heap of work in them, man. Them, you understand. And so I arrested a man by the name of Charlie Freighter. I tell you, of all of the criminal, not even bad man smart like that, man. I want the smartest criminal that me, I tell you. So scammer, Charlie Freighter was able to even I don't know if you guys have heard it before, but Charlie Freighter was that smart that he was able to manufacture trucks, Leland trucks, Mercedes trucks that were never built with chassis number, all of the number, the serial numbers, them to go with the truck. They understand the model number, everything, years, and them the truck they never built and get loan from bank. I don't know how him do it, but he was able to do it. But when I start investigating, I realized that two of the managers that work with NCB, they were a part of the scam. Yeah, man, millions. And guess what? The case, I tell you, you see the justice system corrupt, So there was this judge, her name is Gloria Smith. So she was the one that the case initially, was placed before. And so she remand him, because millions, that was in the early 90s, She remand him, and them transfer the case from her to another judge named Marcia Hughes. Yeah, Marcia Hughes. And the next thing, the case is going on till, why I tell you, them just know how to work the system, because it's a corrupt system, man. Yeah. And then now, after a while, them say file missing. I have a copy of the file. I find a copy of the file. It seemed like the clerk of court, when the clerk of court get it, a question, me have a copy of the file, and hey, me I tell you, man, trust me, it's so that's why I tell you that speaking truth, you understand, speaking truth to power, make a difference. And if you can't be true to yourself, you can't be true to others. And just live your life as an exemplary person. You understand? And prepare to stand by yourself. Well, I say by yourself, because you're going to have people that hate you for speaking the truth. And people don't like to hear the truth, especially our Jamaican people. And that is what we are trying to bring back. Yeah, we know say the truth hurt. Yeah, man, it's hurt. And people don't like it. But at time now, we as a people, because remember, although our culture nurtured and socialized to be liars and ignore our conscience, we can start to work on it, Yes, we can start to work on it as a people. You understand? And, then we can able for all the legislators them accountable. Because, trust me, there's so many work out there for us to do. You understand? Because, trust me, it just crazy, man, how we as a people are reach here. How them just destroy the people, their minds. Look at Singapore. You understand? Even at Japan. In a Singapore, if a man look Singapore, Japan and all these countries, if you lose your wallet, and somebody finds it, they're not even looking at it, they might carry it to the police, and the police have put it for safekeeping, and when the person them can claim it and them find everything, in our country now, sir, if your ID, a man not even a thief all your ID and them thing. I just saw it because how we are socialized, cultured and nurtured how to be. You understand? So yeah, as of today, those of you who embrace the truth, let's try to continue to promote it and challenge the status quo. Yeah, if you have your friend them are lied, you tell them, I have a virgin, named Rumpel, and them still talk. And ask, quoting them can't tell you, all of the people them Rumpel as a virgin, and Rumpel not tell me the lie and them thing, because me just tell him straight up, say I tell lie and them thing. I'm a virgin. Him Irish still doing it, but yeah, boy, sometimes him just can't help himself. I just saw it go and them thing. I have family member, my mother family and them thing that way. Hey, them lie, me I tell you. Them trust me. But, so have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica, Young Police Channel, out.